Hello everyone, we are Group 2 and this is our video presentation. And I will deal with MOOC 4 question 2a. And Paul has prepared 5 questions in descriptive statistics, 10 questions in probability, and 12 questions in probability distributions. From these prepared questions, 9 will be selected randomly for the quiz of statistics and will be held next week. So the question is, what is the probability that the quiz will consist of 2 questions in descriptive statistics, 4 questions in probability, and 3 questions in probability distributions? First, we add the required question 2 plus 4 plus 3 is 9, and it's same as the required 9 question for the quiz next week. So if it's not equal, it may be a little more difficult. And the total question Paul has prepared is 5 plus 10 plus 12 is 27. For the first part question, Paul will choose 2 questions from 5, which is 2p5 equals to 10. And for the second part question, we will choose 4 questions from 10 questions. 4p10 equals 210. And for the third part question, it's 3p12. After calculating and simplifying it, you can get the answer 560 over 5,681.
My name is Nitali Bitib and I will be presenting MOOC for question 2b, 1 and 2. A survey is conducted to study the customer behavior of a convenience store. It is found that 70% of the customers patronize the convenience store every day. 56% of the customers purchase newspaper, and for those customers who patronize the convenience store every day, 75% purchase newspaper. So the question is to calculate the probability that a randomly selected customer neither patronizes the convenience store every day nor purchases the newspaper. So let probability A equals to the people who patronize the convenience store every day, 70%, and probability B, the people who buys newspaper, 56% equals to 0.56, and the people who patronize convenience store every day and purchase newspaper equals to probability of B given A. So 75% equals to 0.75. So the probability of B given A equals to probability of A intersect B divided by probability of A. So we substitute, so it's 0.75 equals to probability of A intersect B divided by 0.7. So we got probability of A intersect B equals to 0.525. Now we want to find probability of A union B, which equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersect B. So we already given probability of A and B, 0.7 and 0.56. And we minus it by the one we got from the previous methods, which is 0.525, and we got 0.735. And after that, the complementary rules. The people who neither patronize the store nor purchase the newspaper is probability of A bar intersect B bar. So we substitute and minus it by, and 1 minus it by probability of A plus probability of B minus A intersect B. So 1 minus 0.735 equals to 0.265. The next question is 2b. 2. Given that a customer purchases newspaper, what is the probability that this customer patronizes a convenience store every day? So probability of A, B, and B given A is the same as the previous questions. And from the previous questions, we got probability of A intersect B equals to 0.525. So we use conditional probability. So probability of A given B equals to probability of A intersect B divided by probability of B. And so we got 0.525 divided by 0.56, and we got 0.9375 as the answer.
I'm Alison, and I will deal with question 3. This question asks about, given that a customer does not patronize the convenience store every day, what is the probability that this customer purchases newspapers? And this question is asked us, given A bar, what the probability of B happen? According to the complementary rule, PB given A bar is equals to 1 minus PB bar given A bar. And now the question is become what is the number of PB bar given A bar? According to the multiplication rule, we can know that A bar and B bar is equals to PA bar times PB bar given A bar. And we already know that PA bar and B bar is equals to 0.265 and PA bar is equals to 0.3. So we can calculate that PB bar given A bar is equals to 0.8833. And now we can get the answer easily. PB given A bar is equals to 1 minus 0.8833 is equals to 0.1167.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Davis and my question is Mock 1, question 2b. Firstly, we can see the content of this question, and I have also highlighted some important items like the Mr. Chen, Mr. Lee, and Mr. Chen will be elected at 0.3 and 0.5 and 0.2 respectively. And also Mr. Chen, Mr. Lee, Mr. Chen be elected, the probability for an increase in membership fee at 0.8 and 0.1 and 0.4 respectively. And the question asks us to calculate what is the probability that Mr. Chen was elected president of their club when their membership fee have been increased. And the solution is showed here, and the first step is light A means that the membership fee increased. And light B1, B2, B3 means Mr. Chen, Mr. Lee, Mr. Chen was elected respectively. And the second step is just the list we have know from the content like that PB1 equals 0.3 and PB2 equals 0.5 and PB3 equals 0.2, and PA given B1 is means that when Mr. Chen was elected, their membership fee increased their probability, which equals 0.8, and just like this, PA given B2 equals 0.1, and PA given B3 equals 0.4. The final step is use the Beer's theorem, like the PB3 given A equals the PA over the PB3 times the PA given B3, and then we shall extend the PA because we don't know PA, and PA equals PB1 times PA given B1 plus PB2 times PA given B2 and plus PB3 times PA given B3. We have no other numbers, and finally we have calculated the answers, which is 0.2162. Thanks for watching our video presentation, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Thanks. 你关了吗？